The last part missing is how do I reconcile a project? For that, we quickly jump back into our target group, which we have set live here, and simply pause again. And then we can see here a close project button. Pressing this prompt up the message, are you sure you want to close and build this project? Once you press the close button on here, you will not be able to add any target groups to this study. This is a final decision where the project will get closed. And in case you do want to run another study, you will need to duplicate this project and set everything up in it again. Close this project. And now can only see here a cost summary. This gives a basic overview over what we will see in the invoices tab as well. In this case, we can see the two target groups which she had set up, UK, UK2. Both had 0 completes, and the CPI for both was 313. And because we didn't have any completes, there's of course no cost associated. It is already possible to download the basic summary over here. That is the same summary as what you would see when you go to Invoice tab and Summary, which shows exactly the same. Also here we got the option to download our summary. Clicking this button will download the summary as a PDF, which shows exactly the same thing. This is especially useful if you do want this for your own documentation. And one last aspect which we haven't covered so far is what happens if you need to clean for quality related issues. In case for this example, we have 7 completes collected, but can just use 5. 2 had to be cleaned because of straight lining. That means I of course don't want to pay $5 for 2 completes which I can't use. So I'm not happy with the $17.50 here. In all of those cases, we can use the request correction button. The request correction button ensures that you can upload the IDs which you needed to clean and put the description in place. And this directly goes to your account manager and will be taken into account for the invoicing. We download the example template, and within this template, we've entered the IDs which we had to clean with the reason why we had to clean them. Entering the reason is quite easy. There are 5 columns where we just need to place an X, depending on what they had been cleaned for. And then we upload that file. Let's do a test 1, test 2. Depending on what we cleaned them for, we put an X into speeding if test 31 had been cleaned for speeding, and test 32 had been cleaned for straight lining. So we put an X in straight lining. Then we save this file and we upload it. In case you do have to upload bad quality because of bad open ends, do submit a text as well. That will help make it easier to flag those panelists to our panel quality team. Okay, then the last missing bit after we filled out the template and uploaded it is entering a description. Entering a description always makes it easier for your account managers to straight away see for how much completes you want to pay and how much you need to clean, without actually needing to have a look into the template, count all of the IDs, and then enter that in our back office system. In this case, I would let the account manager know that I want to pay for 5 completes. I had to clean 2 IDs course of straight lining. That we would send to our account manager, and the invoice which we receive will take that into account. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and we hope you found this video series helpful. Please reach out to us in case of any questions, and be sure to ask Dynata for end-to-end help with your research and audience needs.